My dear brothers and sisters, we can name a lot of characteristics, or shall we say experiences, how the Lord has been so good since then until now. And our readings would like to offer one face of God's goodness, and that is His unselfish and unbounded love for every one of us. Today we continue to hear the priestly prayer of Jesus, and we heard the beginning words of our gospel when Jesus prayed, "I pray not only for this, but also for those who will believe in me through their word, so that they may all be one." Hindi lang inisip ni Jesus yung pananagutan o marahil yung pwedeng maging kaunlaran ng buhay ng kanyang mga alagad o ng mga tao sa kanyang panahon. But He extended that desire and blessing to all of us until now. Jesus even prayed that the unity of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit may not only remain in them, but all of us be also be one with God. And He also prayed, "Father, they are your gift to me. I wish that where I am, they also may be, that they may see the glory that you gave me." Hindi makasarili ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Kung ano man yung saya, yung sarap at sigla na kanilang binubuhay, gusto ding maramdaman ng Diyos yung saya, yung sigla na mayroon sila. And these are just perfect graces, my dear friends, as we have just celebrated Ascension Sunday, and in a few days' time, we shall celebrate Pentecost Sunday, to recognize how God's love and concern for us is unbounded and unselfish. We may ask the Lord, "Panginoon, bakit may hirap? Bakit may bigat? Bakit may lungkot?" But God wishes us to share His consolation, His life, and His presence. Hindi niya hinahayaan na tayo lang ang nabibigatan, samantalang yung mga nasa langit ay nagdidiwang na sa harapan ng Diyos. Jesus wanted us to experience and even own God's love now and forever. It will never be the desire of the Lord to pin crosses deeper on our shoulders. Gusto niyang makihati tayo sa kung ano ang mayroon siya, sa pagkakaisa na mayroon sila, at sa kapayapaan na nais niyang ibigay hindi lang noon, kundi hanggang ngayon. And that is how good God is for each and every one of us. Hindi makasarili ang pag-ibig, walang hanggan ang pag-ibig.